Alex here with mirtactical, going over the awesome RocketLabs HICAPA. RocketLabs takes the already awesome Tokyo Marui platform and does everything to it, externally and internally. You have this custom CNC slide, custom outer barrel, threaded adapter, custom cocking handle, and this awesome mag well. Inside, you get a blowback housing, a different barrel, bucking, hop-up, nozzle. Pretty much everything has been replaced with this awesome pistol. Build the ultimate custom RocketLabs pistol only at mirtactical.